traders, this is the trade of the week idea. So there's a disclaimer. I'm not going to read it. Oh, back to it. If I can get to it. Yeah, okay. There's a disclaimer. I'm not going to read it, but it's there. Okay. So this is not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room, and this video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. All trade ideas are for educational purposes only. Okay. So let me go to the charts here and hold on. All right. So our trade idea is here on the pound Aussie. And you can see right now that it's got an ATR of 114 pips right there. It normally does 131, which means it can blow 20 pips further pretty easily. Okay, so let me pull this down now, and you can see that MACD is telling you, hey, we're trying to go up right there. Trying to go up. As you can see, we got this movement. We've done about half this movement to its target. Target right now is at 1.8 thousand. Okay, but we're headed towards the 5 o'clock candle, and at 5 o'clock we're going to get a new ATR. So if the ATR is 114 pips, let's just make an assumption here that this is where it's going to be at 5 o'clock, right about where it is right now. So if I go up for 114 pips from here, buy for 114 pips, 114, you'll see very quickly that we're basically headed towards 1.8050. Okay. Now the chart tells us that it can do that now, but it's the dead of the day. Okay. So you can see we're going down here. That's that candle. We're starting to make a turn down. This is just going to be a pullback. This is trying to go up. This is trying to go up. This was trying to go up, and this is trying to go up. So, and MACD, of course, is already going up. So if this occurs, you can see this is going to be the bigger opportunity right here. Tonight, and it's a pretty nice little opportunity for 118, 120 pips. Could easily do 131. So will it happen? I don't know if it's going to happen, but right now the charts say it could happen, and you just need to be prepared for it in case it does. So there you go. Hope that helps you. Talk to you later.